All right, back with another reset video. This time it's on a 2016 Escape. It's got 94,287 on it. This one's a little bit trickier because it does not actually have a menu. So it says oil change required, and using the left part of the steering wheel here, you'll see I'm going to go through the menus: distance, timer, speed. If you go back under information, there's just nothing there for maintenance reset, but clearly it says change oil soon. Driver assist doesn't have any of those. So in this case, what do we do? How do we reset this? Well, I'm going to give you wipers, remote start. Yeah, nothing in there. I'm going to give you a real easy way of doing this, and you're going to be like, oh man, that was easy. So I'm going to put this just back to the main information here, the speed. So what you're going to do is, on the right side is the start stop button. You're going to turn that off, so it's completely off. Now, as soon as you hit this button one time, it's going to light up. You're going to press on the brake, and you're going to press on the accelerator. You probably can't even see that, but I'm holding the gas pedal all the way to the floor and the brake pedal. It says service oil reset in progress. In prog. You're going to keep holding and keep holding. Your legs may go numb, but it's okay. Keep holding and keep holding, keep holding. It'll eventually say complete. And when it does, you can just let go. You can either cycle the key, you can turn it off, or you can start it. And now when we start it, the light is off. Okay, I hope this helps.